In today's interconnected world, the security of products is more important than ever. Counterfeiting is a growing problem. It affects many industries. This problem can damage brands and put consumers at risk. HD Barcode LLC has developed a revolutionary solution, HD SmartCode. This technology offers more than a new level of security and traceability. The code can contain variable information describing the location of other security features on the label, carton, or product. HD SmartCode is a unique barcode technology. It can be authenticated offline. This means it does not need internet access. It doesn't need cloud services. It doesn't need databases. This makes it very versatile and convenient. Not only does the HD SmartCode contain anti-copy features, it can even contain an image of a unique feature or code number. It can be used anywhere in the world. This offline capability is a game changer. It allows for instant verification. In this case, the manufacturer has added an extra security feature, 3 microdots that could be located at different places based on the lot being run. This can authenticate even in remote areas without internet. It's also more secure. Each manufacturer is provided their own code generator and an authorization key. They also add their own password. So only authorized phones or readers with the matching app key can decode HD SmartCodes. This then makes each HD SmartCode not reliant on external systems. For offline tracking, an HD SmartCode can be generated and scanned. Then a new code is created containing the data from the previous codes, allowing users an offline track and trace solution, all without a database. This makes HD SmartCode a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. HD SmartCode helps protect brands and consumers. It does this by making counterfeiting much harder. Even a full-page PDF document to a secure SmartCode. It also allows for accurate tracking of products. This is from the point of manufacture to the point of sale. This ensures that only genuine products reach the market. This gives businesses and consumers peace of mind. One of the most powerful aspects of HD SmartCode is its ability to integrate multiple solutions into a single code. This simplifies the process for businesses. It also reduces the need for multiple barcodes or labels. A single HD SmartCode can be used for product authentication, tracking, and marketing. This allows businesses to streamline their operations. It also provides a more comprehensive view of their products throughout the supply chain. For example, a pharmaceutical company could use HD SmartCode to track a bottle of medicine. They could track it from the manufacturing facility to the pharmacy. The same code could be used to verify the authenticity of the medicine. It could also provide consumers with information about the product. This integration of multiple solutions makes HD SmartCode a very efficient and cost-effective solution. It eliminates the need for separate systems for different purposes. Even full directions for use or ingredients can be embedded in the code. Security, anti-counterfeiting, and authentication. HD SmartCode incorporates robust anti-copy features. These features make it extremely difficult to counterfeit. This ensures that only genuine products can be authenticated using the system. The technology behind HD SmartCode is complex. It involves sophisticated algorithms and encryption methods. This makes it nearly impossible to replicate or forge. Authentication is carried out using a proprietary smartphone app. This app is available only to authorized users. This adds another layer of security. The app uses advanced scanning technology to read and verify the HD SmartCode. This ensures that only genuine codes are accepted. These robust security features make HD SmartCode a powerful weapon in the fight against counterfeiting. For further information and to evaluate the advantages of HD SmartCode, contact our sales office or visit our website at hdbarcode.com.